Hello everyone, welcome back to KSR Data Vision YouTube channel. So today we will be covering a topic named as Dynamics 365. So today we will be covering like what is Dynamics 365, how it looks like, what are the various things that you can do using Dynamics 365, and what are the demand and opportunities in the market as of now for Dynamics 365 developers. Okay, so this will be the agenda for today. Like we will be covering what is Dynamics 365, and we will be covering who can learn it, and we will be covering the demand and opportunities for Dynamics 365. Okay, so Dynamics 365 is nothing what it's a CRM. CRM means customer relationship modeling or management, customer relationship management. So suppose you are working in an organization where you are dealing with various customers and your customers are not happy with your product, so they are raising complaints or they are raising some dissatisfaction among them. So to interact with the customer, so then we can create these modules and then we will streamline the process of all the feedback and taken. So there are say various types of modules which are present in the Dynamics 365. As it is mentioned, like it is a suite of applications, like suite of applications that help business manage their customer relationship and their business function. Like it help business to manage maintain a good relationship with their customer and various other business functions. So what is CRM? Basically customer relationship management. So it help business manages sales, marketing and customer service process. So it will help business in managing their sales, like what they can manage, what are their sales number, but it can help them to store their invoices, right? And in marketing they can run their marketing campaigns, and they can identify various leads opportunities from there, like from where we can get a new business. So all those things can be managed through CRM systems. So similarly in Dynamics 365 there are another system that are ERP systems. ERP system, you will hear this term a lot, CRM and ERP in Dynamics world. So ERP is nothing but it includes enterprise resource planning applications. Like suppose you are working on you are having around 10 resources uh, in your project. So you will be planning all the resources with the help of these systems which are available in the Dynamics 365. Okay. So these Dynamics 365 solutions can be integrated with various other Microsoft products, like they can be integrated with Office 365, they can be integrated with Power BI, and they can be integrated with Azure, even they can be integrated with Power Automate, they can be integrated with other projects also, other products also. Okay. So then next is customizations. So this Dynamics 365 CRM solution are highly customizable, allowing business to tailor it to their specific need. So basically you can customize anything here. So suppose there is a button there. So this is the save button, and on this save button you want to perform various other functionalities. So all those things you can customize using plugin and C sharp and JavaScript. So there are various modules in the CRM. It has sales module, it has marketing module, it has customer service module, it has field service module, and it has project operations module. And similarly, you can create your custom modules also. Okay. So then the pricing, it is available on subscription basis with different modules and different pricing options. And there are various types of CRM available. Like some are the cloud and on-prem CRM. Okay. So now who can learn Dynamics 365? So anyone who is having a basic knowledge of C sharp or JavaScript will be able to it will be very easy for them to learn this, because here we will be doing the customizations using C sharp, that is plugin customizations, and we will do the UI customizations using JavaScript, that is XRM API in JavaScript. Okay, so if you don't know about the C sharp and JavaScript, even if you have experience in one of the object-oriented programming language, then also you will be able to relate. Suppose you have experience in Java or C++, so then also it will be easy for you. So if you are switching technology, so suppose you are working on a technology where like you're not getting good hike, or you are not feeling like this is not challenging you anymore, so then you can learn this Dynamics 365. So then you will automatically get good hike also, and it will be good for you also. And similarly, if you want to cross skill yourself, so if you are having knowledge about Power Platform plus D365, so guys, like, uh, believe me, like, there will be lot of opportunities that will be coming to your way. So if as a Power Platform developer, suppose you're getting X% as a hike, so if you Dynamics 365 also, so easily you will get some X plus 40% of hike easily. So because here you will be responsible for end to end, right? Because in Power Platform you will be able to do the customizations using low code, no code solution. And if something which is not possible in Power Platform, you will customize that solution using Dynamics 365. So basically, Dynamic 365 also comes from Power Platform itself. So you guys might be aware about model driven apps. So basically, model driven apps serves as base for D365, and the data will be stored in the Dataverse. So if you are good with Power Platform, so then also it will be very less effort for you, because you only need to learn how to do the plugin customization, how to run the XRM API tool, and there are a few other like Ribbon Workbench and all those things. So all these things we will cover once we start a detailed course on this. So basically, this is the entire introduction on Dynamics 365, how what it is as a product, uh, like it will be good for whom, and what you can expect from the Dynamics 365 course. Okay. So these are the courses which are provided by the KSR. So if you want any information regarding any of the course, or you have any other general query, so you can call us on the numbers which are flashing on the screen. We would be happy to help you guys. Yeah, so that was it from my end for today. Thank you, everyone.